Hello, so next, this is my portfolio. Alright, so we go to our first step, we call home. So this is my about me and my interest, and last one is my strength and my skills. Alright, next we go to my education. Alright, so my education, first this is when I sekolah menengah teknik Kuala Lumpur, and this is my diploma in civil engineering and UTHM. So this is our subject when I diploma of studies, and this is my final year project, and this is our FYP project. So next we go to the achievement. So this is my achievement. So first, chairman of UTHM diploma students 24, 25. So second, member of student parliament UTHM, and third, I am YSS student volunteer mission to Sarawak, Malaysia, represented University Tun Pusat Malaysia. So my last achievement is volunteer leadership development program VLDP and agent perpaduan 2025 2027. Right, so you go to the resume and experience. So first, this is my resume, and this is resume created by Notebook LM, and this is my experience when I intern industry training at HBS Engineering. So the last one, we go to the contact me. Okay, this is my contact, Instagram, TikTok and email. And the last, my words, winning people hearts, mind and soul beyond borders. So last is AI creation. So this is my AI creation for infographic about flipped classroom. So that's all for me. Thank you.